I've been searching for the right one. I've been searching for you all along. Darling, I'm searching no more. Searching. Baby girl, you're such a miracle. Thank you, Baba.
Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys step by step how to do full sew-in weave on natural hair using hair from MarchQueen.com. This video is quite long, but if you sit back and watch this video, you will definitely learn something from this video. To start, I will first of all go ahead and cornrow her natural hair, all back middle part, and then I will moisturize her scalp with hair oil, because it's very important to keep your scalp moisturized before doing sew-in. Like I said, the hair I will be using is from MarchQueen.com. And they also put a pamphlet on how to care and co-wash the hair step by step. And it also came with a hair band. Their coily hair I will be using is their Brazilian coily weave, natural color 1B. I will be using their 14 and the 12 inches to do this sew-in, and the closure 12 inches. The closure came with baby hairs, but I will be co-washing this hair later. And then what I will do to make it easier for me, I will just go ahead and cut off the excess lace, but I will leave a little bit of lace at the front, as you guys are seeing right now. And then I will be using argan oil of Morocco, the conditioner, to condition the hair. Argan oil of Morocco is very good, and I'm also using it to condition my natural hair. And it also came with oil. You can just buy the full package if you want. I will just go ahead and condition the hair. I don't like to shampoo my curly hair extensions. I only use conditioner. I have a tutorial video on my YouTube channel showing you guys step by step how I usually condition and take care of my curly hair extensions. I will link that video in the description box below. After I conditioned the hair, look at how soft the hair is looking. I combed the hair because she wants something natural looking sew-in. And then I will just go ahead and leave it overnight to dry up. And then the following day, I just sew in extra band. I also combed the closure just to give that natural looking at the front. She wants middle part. I will just place the closure at the middle, giving it like the both sides will be equal. And I will just sew the closure round with thread and a needle. Doing sew-in weave, I usually love to use straight needle. Depends on what you like. Some people normally use the bend needles, but I preferred using straight needle. Any one you like is okay. Go for it. When I am done with the closure, I will go ahead and the extra band You will see what I will do with this extra band later. Leaving extra band for sew-in weave is very helpful, especially when your sew-in weave is getting old. When your sew-in weave is getting old, if you don't have that extra band to tighten it up at the back, like it will be like the closure will be shifting back a little bit. When you have that extra band, you will use it to tighten it up whenever you want the closure to stay intact. If you are not comfortable with the extra band, when you are at home, I will advise you to do this method, like by removing the extra band at the back, and then you will place it at the front and just like go to bed and be free. But when you just want to be a little bit extra, you want the closure to stay intact at the front, I would advise you to just place the extra band at the back, and then the closure will be nice, like lay flat at the front. And then I will just go ahead and start with the bundles, doing it step by step. I will be doing flip over method. I will not cut the width because I don't like cutting hair extension width, because if you want to reuse your extensions many times, I would advise you not to cut the width, just be doing flip over method. Like I said, this video is quite long. Just stay tuned and watch this video throughout, and I promise you, you will definitely learn something from this video. Stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys later. And then this is what I was talking about. I will just go ahead and place the extra band at the back. And the extra band helps in keeping the closure to lay flat, like very flat at the front. And then I will do middle part because she wants middle part. And I will try as much as possible to comb the hair to like look more natural. And I will spray a little bit of water and use coiling hair cream and rub it on the hair a little bit. And look at the hair looking very nice, and look at it. And then this is the finished look. And then as you guys are seeing, is because of water. That is why you are seeing this like shiny, because I sprayed water and then I used coiling hair cream, Taiwaje coiling hair cream. And then this is the finished look. Very, very soft hair. So soft. Easy to manipulate with. Don't forget that this hair is from MarchQueen.com. And then this is their Brasilia coily weave. I used their 14 and the 12 inches to do this sewing. The closure 12 inches. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. Everything I used in this video will also be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, give a huge thumbs up. Share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.